In the case of State of Texas versus Victor Mesa, a 49-year-old man pleads guilty to possession of a controlled substance. He expects probation, but the hearing takes a dramatic turn when the judge questions his story about how methamphetamine ended up in his wallet. The situation escalates further when a surprise drug test reveals more than just marijuana in his system. Watch as the skeptical judge delivers a stern sentence focused on rehabilitation, including parenting classes, field visits to his mother's home where children live, and a strict mandate for sobriety. This is a gripping look at justice, accountability, and second chances.
Court is calling 2023 CR 8380, State of Texas versus Victor Mesa. And are you Mr. Mesa?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review that with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Mesa, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Mesa, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's a $500 fine. State recommends community supervision. There's to be $57 restitution for drug testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 80 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 with attachments.
No objections, Your
All
Honor.
right, you may continue to confer. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we're just asking the court to follow the plea bargain agreement. My client is 49 years old and he is currently employed. He does remodeling and plumbing. He works under a subcontractor and he is working full time. And so we're asking the court to grant his application.
All right. Mr. Mesa, when you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Just marijuana, Your Honor.
All right. No methamphetamine or anything?
No, ma'am.
When's the last time you used meth?
That's just it. I don't use it, ma'am. I don't.
Well, why is there meth in your wallet?
I cleaned out my niece's car and I think I put it in there. It's been like,
Who cleans out? Wait a
it's
minute.
because I took it out of the impound yard. She had lost it to the impound yard and I took it out and I was cleaning out the car. And
Okay, let me just tell you why that doesn't ring true to me. I don't know anybody who cleans out somebody's vehicle. I can understand, oh, I'm cleaning out my sister's vehicle. I don't have a sister, but I can understand. Or I'm cleaning out a relative's vehicle. Oh, this is a social security card. Let me put it in my wallet for safekeeping or in my purse.
I understand. Yeah.
But I don't clean out a vehicle of a relative and I see meth and I'm like, oh, let me put this meth in my wallet for safekeeping. Who does that?
Actually, I put in there to present to my brother-in-law, Your Honor, but that's the truth.
We're going to do a drug test today before I send it to you today. Are you prepared to go today or you need water?
No, ma'am, I can go today.
Okay. All right. We're going to do a UA and then we will come back.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
A few moments later.
We're back on the record in 2023, CR 8380, State of Texas versus Victor Mesa. All right, Mr. Mesa, you're positive for something other than marijuana. Why?
I only take Sudafed and Tylenol because of my sinus and because of my pins and my screws in my foot. That's it, ma'am. I don't see how that's possible. And
Yeah.
I can do it every day this week. And y'all, I mean, if I have to stop taking my medication, I'll stop doing that. But I really do it because of my surgery on my foot.
All right.
My drug is working.
This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to a $500 fine. That will be probated. And you stated you didn't have children, correct?
Ma'am?
Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
2,
What are their ages?
26 and 21.
And who do you live with?
My mother,
Why are you living with your mom?
she needs help with the kids. She adopted my niece's kids.
And how old are they?
They're 10 and 5. I mean, 10 and 15.
All right. She doesn't need help with the children if you're using marijuana
Yes, ma'am.
and you're positive for marijuana. When's the last time you used?
2 days ago.
Why are you using drugs and you know you have to come to court?
Ma'am, that's something that I've been doing for a long time, and I was honest before about it. You know, I don't lie about
Well,
it.
I know you've been doing it for a long time because when they pulled you over, they said you were eating it.
I wasn't eating it. I don't know how.
Well, they said your teeth were green and you had marijuana leaf in your mouth.
I had told the officer I just came from my house. I was going back to work. I just ate. But I mean, I'm not gonna
Marijuana,
dispute-
according to
No,
them.
ma'am.
All right. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 4 years. $57 restitution for drug testing. 150 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to require parenting classes. And probation. I'm sorry, but you're going to have to go out to that house and check on the children who are in his mother's care. So it'll be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Children don't want to be around people who smell of marijuana. It messes with their brains. Doesn't help their brain develop. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And don't be bringing marijuana into your mother's home.
Yes, ma'am.
And don't be driving her around with marijuana in a car with the children in the car because they don't need to be smelling marijuana. It stinks. Field visits 1 time per month. 150 hours community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes for him. If he completes that, then the 150 hours will be waived. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want him with the UA hotline. Test him for levels. Those levels had better start going down. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There's going to be 90 sober meetings in 90 days. TAP evaluation, follow TAP recommendations, but I'm sure they're going to recommend intensive outpatient treatment. So let's start with intensive outpatient treatment before inpatient. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. You're going to go off the record. Don't be bringing nonsense to your mom's house because she's letting you, a grown man, live at her house. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Judge.